Good morning to all my awesome friends and family. Well, guess what time it is? It's a cozy corner time. And as you can see, I put a few of my Mother's Day presents in it. And of course, a few of my Mackenzie Child pieces too. These are my favorite things, as you can tell. I got the beautiful florals, those beautiful orange tulips, from one of my coworkers. Are they not beautiful? And I got the beautiful Mackenzie bear from my daughter. I love her so. I have a cry for help to name her. So please, in the comments section, please give me a name that you think I should name my Mackenzie Child's bear. I just love her to pieces. She's so cute. Love how she's finished off with the beautiful black and white check. She's such a beautiful bear, isn't she? Love her little bow and her little dress. The material is super soft and super nice. I know if you really got to touch her in real life, you would see what I mean. Look at those beautiful black and white check on her foot pads. Are they not beautiful? And everything matches the beautiful florals also. Everything the Mackenzie Child does, it always works with so many different colors and styles. And how all the different styles of Mackenzie Child in the teapot, everything goes so beautifully with all your accessories. That's why I've decided to start collecting it. Love all the beautiful, colorful florals on this teapot that my daughter got me. It's just beautiful. And, of course, I love the cozy corner, all the beautiful florals that I have in here. Now, all these beautiful florals have been here for about a month or two. And the only thing I've changed mostly in the cozy corner has been the accessories around it. Just the main ones, but the backdrop with all the beautiful florals. I have moved a few things around like the big butterfly, but most of it stayed the same. So it's pretty easy to change out in the cozy corner, and you know Grandma is going back to garden themes on her channel. That's what I basically started at when I started doing YouTube. It was all having to do with fairies, gardening, and that's what I did for 5 years. Then I went into home decor, and now I'm bringing the garden theme back into my home decor. So you're going to see lots of posts similar to this in the future. And now I've decided to start collecting Mackenzie Child pieces because they're so beautiful. Look how the ears are finished off perfectly. I just love it. And her bow matches the green in the plant. See how everything works together with Mackenzie Child. That's why I'm decided to start collecting it, and my main focus is going to get back into gardening, and Mackenzie Child's pieces do work with that. Another reason. I want to try to be able to repurpose more of what I have. And as you can see by this bear, all these beautiful subtle colors in there, all the yellows and grays and blacks and greens. And they're picked up in the teapot also. Even though the style is different, the shades are there. Oh my gosh, I love it. And now you can see close up the oranges and the greens in that footpad and how nice it goes to the teapot. That's what I'm trying to say. These pieces could work with almost anything you do. And because this is what I'm going back to, I know it's going to work perfectly. Just love this bear. So cute and so well made put together. The feet are weighted so when you set her in a chair, her little feet hang down so beautifully. This area is so small I didn't think I could put her on a little table or a stool because it's not very big and we wouldn't want her head hitting the cupboards above her. so I left her the way she was, setting on the tray. But she looks so pretty and looks gorgeous next to those beautiful flowers that my friend got me. And of course, I have my black and white butterfly that, of course, you're going to see all the time because I love it so. And look how it works into these beautiful flower arrangement. That's what's great about Mackenzie Child. She works with everything. I just love all these beautiful pieces and how they work together with my garden theme. Please let me know what you think, if you think that you agree or not. But keep in mind, Mackenzie Child is a little expensive, but you don't have to buy all expensive items. That butterfly wasn't too expensive. Anyone could afford it. That's why I bought it. Trying to show you that you can bring a little bit of class into anything you do. And if you love gardening as much as I do, these pieces work perfectly with a garden theme. And I love it so, like I keep saying. And as you can tell, all the beautiful pieces all about. I just don't even know what to say. Leave me a comment and tell me what you think. I think I'm going to be a little quiet now and let you just listen to some beautiful music and keep watching this beautiful video with so many beautiful things that I got for Mother's Day. I love you all so. If you're not following me already, please consider it. I would really appreciate it. And please click that like button also. And we'd love to have some new family members join in. Hugs and kisses if you'd like to come back. We always love new family. Till the next video, I'm just going to be quiet now and let you listen to the beautiful music and see all the beautiful things in the cozy corner.